Hi everyone, this is General Science Paper 2, Class 10th, Biology Model Paper. Total marks is 50 marks. Time duration is 2 hours. This paper has 4 sections and 17 questions with a total of 50 marks. Section 1. See these questions. Section 2. 7 to 10 is section 2. Section 3. To here 15 questions. Section 4. 16A, 16B. Internal choice. 17A, 17B. Internal choice. Okay, you can see section wise marks also. Section 1 is for 6 marks. Section 2 is for 8 marks. Section 3 is for 20 marks. Section 4 is for 16 marks. This is the pattern. And if you want, you can see answers here. I will just scroll. So this is the pattern. Class 10th public pattern.